Hi everyone, welcome to my new upload. Today I will give you all a first look on latest Samsung Galaxy phones, watches and collection of books at JARIR bookstore Riyadh. So let's move. This is JARIR bookstore. We park our car in front of JARIR bookstore. Myself and my sister walk into the gate. Security man checked my body temperature and allowed us to enter. I directly went to the Samsung latest models. See the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. It looks awesome and it's 5G. This demo is self-explanatory. You can understand it easily. Next is Note 20. See the pen? With the help of the pen, we can control the phone. By using this pen, we can take any apps. See how the cameras look perfect. And this is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. I love this phone very much. It's an amazing look. This is Samsung Galaxy Zflip. See, it can be flipped and can handle easily. Next is Samsung Galaxy Watch Active COS. Now I move towards children's book section. Here you can see different variety of books. I will show you. These all are short story books. Many color books are here. My sister selected one. See, these books are for phonic sounds. These books teach you how to spell words and read words. These are jungle story books that are very interesting. These are foreign language books which help us to learn international language. These are young adults books about cartoon stories. These books on Islam religion. These books help us to know about Islam. These are Quran translation in English. MashaAllah. These are dictionaries including Oxford. These sections are for high school students. Finally, I selected these three books: Spider-Man book, Jungle book and Frozen 2 book. And walked towards the counter. My dad paid the bill. We took our car and went home. Thank you for watching. See you.